Hello, friends, and welcome to yet another captivating session of Wisdom Zone. And this is Shubro, and I'm quite sure you have already guessed it. Today, I have an intriguing session for you because today I'm going to discuss some interesting animal idioms and expressions in English which you can incorporate in your communication so that you sound more charismatic. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So friends, welcome back once again. Today I am going to show you some interesting animal idioms and expression in English. So let's get started with the first one. As you see on your screen, the first idiom for today is cry wolf. Cry wolf is a fascinating idiom. It means to keep asking for help when you do not need it, and with the result that people do not believe when you really need help. So that time this idiom is used, cry wolf. So let's see how to use it. As you see the example, no one is ready to believe Sam as he is habitual of crying wolf. That means he is quite habitual of asking for help without any reason. So no one is ready to help him because they think that he is lying. So up next we will see the second idiom for today, that is a leopard can't change its spots. So it is also a fascinating idiom. It means that people cannot change their basic personalities, nature or habits. So let's see how to use it. He says he has changed now, but I know he is still a miser, as a leopard can't change its spots. That means he cannot change his habit or his nature. So up next, let's turn our attention towards the third idiom for today, that is the early bird catches the worm. So this idiom, early bird catches the worm, means someone will have an advantage if they do something immediately or before other people do it. So let us see how to use it. Smith opens his shop early in the morning as he believes that the early bird catches the worm. That means he thinks that if he starts working early, he will get more customers and he will grow. So that's the meaning of this idiom, and it can be easily used. So up next we will focus on the fourth one, that is bell the cat. Bell the cat is also quite an interesting one. It means to be brave enough to undertake a very dangerous or arduous mission for all, for everyone. Take a mission which is quite dangerous and difficult. So let us see how to use it. We all agreed to ask for an increment, but no one came forward to bell the cat and talk to the management about it. So that means everyone agreed to ask for an increment, but when the time came to talk to the management regarding this, no one was ready to bell the cat. It's quite a fascinating one. You can incorporate it in your communication. Up next, we are going to focus on the fifth one, which is cock and bull story. Cock and bull story means something which is unbelievable or something which is absurd. So let's see how to use it. You failed to meet the deadline. Now don't give me a cock and bull story to defend your failure, said the manager. So that means when someone comes up with absurd answers or unbelievable tales, which is very difficult to believe, then we can use this cock and bull story. So up next we will see the sixth one, that is butterfly in your stomach. It means to feel very nervous and scared about something. So let's see how to use it. I'm going to attend a job interview tomorrow. That's why I have butterflies in my stomach. That means I'm quite tentative, I'm nervous, I'm scared because I have that interview. So that's why I have butterflies in my stomach. Up next, let's focus on the seventh idiom for today, that is smell fishy. Smell fishy is also quite an interesting one. So it means to be suspicious of something or someone. When you're suspicious of something or someone, then you can say smell fishy. So let's see how to use it. Sam's answers smell fishy to me. I doubted that answers were not correct and he cooked it up perhaps. Up next, we are also going to see the last one for today, that is number 8, which is cold turkey. Cold turkey is a very useful idiom. It means to quit an addiction suddenly and completely. So let's see how to use it. John went cold turkey 2 years ago as he quit smoking completely. That means 2 years back he suddenly decided to quit smoking and he went cold turkey and he left smoking. So this is the way to express that someone suddenly left an addiction or a bad habit. So I hope you found this video quite intriguing and try to use these idioms in your everyday conversation, incorporate them in your speaking, and you can also use them with your friends. And I'm quite sure it's going to give you a new dimension to your communication and you will sound more charismatic. So again, it is my earnest request to all the viewers, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do not wait and subscribe to Wisdom Zone and hit the bell icon to get further interesting videos on spoken English, advanced communication, and many more. So stay tuned for further informative videos and do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.